Hi, my name is Lorena. I'm from Spain. This video shows my project for the 2020 Holman Prize, which is Xogo de Fios. You can translate it by Game of Threads. I've got manual skills, so I make crafts with color threads using my touch. These pictures are made on wood or cardboard. The main objective of this work is to introduce my creations to society. I've started to present my works in the exhibitions because it's interesting to share with other people my life experience and to prove the world there are no limits in spite of my disability. I believe that my art can help to feel new sensations through the touch, and it is a good way to handle unknown emotions. I would like to continue showing this project around my country or even around the world, and I'll be able to inspire people to break obstacles.